This video will show you how to create a table given a function rule. So to begin with, if you click on the plus sign up here at the top of Desmos, you can insert a table. And at first, the table is defined in terms of x sub 1 and y sub 1. But if you know the function that you want to use and you'd like to see the produced table, you do not need to use y sub 1, but instead you need to define the function in terms of x sub 1. So for instance, if the function was 2x plus 3, you would type 2x sub 1 plus 3. And now the function is in terms of x sub 1. So as you type in values for x, and I'll say even here I'm counting by 2's, and notice that it'll automatically enter the next value. I don't even have to type these. It understands that I'm counting by 2's. Also notice that in the second column, it's producing the output value for me. From my math lab, the particular function looks like this. I've already typed it in. Notice that you cannot use just x as your input. It must be x sub 1, the same as you see it, the input listed here in the first column. You're asked to count by a change in values in the table of 25. So I'll start my table at 0. I'll type 25 for the next row, and automatically Desmos realizes that I'm trying to count by 25. So I can just continue to press enter until I see that the ball has traveled up as far as it's going to go. And the values are still increasing in the Y column. And now the values are coming back down in the Y column. So now I know that the ball is returning on its descent back down to the ground. That particular question that was asked here was, how far does the ball travel before it reaches a maximum height? And what is its maximum height to the nearest 25 feet? So for that case, let's see, it reaches its maximum height according to the Y column here. That looks to be the largest or highest maximum Y value. And that happens here when the x value is at 450. And again, going back to the problem, that was how far it travels horizontally. So we would say 450 feet.